some mathematics. It's on the left. No, it's on the right. No, that's not it. Okay, somebody get him some air. He's got it! No, he doesn't. Oh, this is not good. Are you gonna get that kind of Do you need a flashlight? Alright, so at this stage, you're going to fling it backwards, and what these lovely eligible bachelors is going to reach out and grab it, and the rules are no tackling each other, except for you're not